Are you tired of your house looking like a fur factory? Pet hair on your clothes, your couch, your car? Everywhere you turn, it's there. Whether you're a cat cuddler, a dog lover, or a multi-pet warrior, fur can feel like your biggest enemy. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back like a pro? In this video, I'm spilling the secret tips pet owners swear by to tackle fur fast and keep your home looking fresh and clean without losing your sanity or your furry friend. So before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more pet-friendly and home cleaning hacks, and smash the bell icon so you never miss a tip that could save your sofa. 1. Invest in specialized pet hair removal tools. One of the most effective ways to combat pet hair is by using tools designed specifically for this purpose. The Chom Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a top-rated device that picks up pet hair without the need for sticky sheets. Its reusable design makes it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Another excellent option is the Bissell Power Clean Fur Finder Vacuum, which boasts a 200-watt motor and a tangle-free brush roll, making it ideal for pet owners battling persistent pet hair in their homes. 2. Utilize household items for quick fixes. You don't always need specialized tools to remove pet hair. Common household items can be surprisingly effective. Dampened rubber gloves can attract pet hair when you run your hands over upholstery. Similarly, a lint roller or even sticky tape can help lift fur from furniture and clothing. 3. Maintain regular grooming routines for your pets. Regular grooming not only keeps your pets healthy, but also reduces the amount of loose hair they shed. Brushing your pet's coat daily can significantly decrease the amount of fur that ends up around your home. Additionally, using de-shedding tools can help manage the shedding process more effectively. 4. Choose pet-friendly fabrics for your furniture. The type of fabric your furniture is made from can influence how much pet hair it attracts. Materials like velvet and corduroy tend to trap more hair, while smoother fabrics like faux leather or microfiber are easier to clean and less likely to hold onto fur. Opting for furniture with removable covers can also make cleaning more manageable. 5. Implement a cleaning routine to stay ahead. Consistency is key when it comes to managing pet hair. Establishing a regular cleaning routine can prevent fur from accumulating. Vacuuming your floors and upholstery at least once a week and more frequently during shedding seasons can help keep your home fur-free. Don't forget to clean your pet's favorite spots, like their bed or play area, regularly as well. 6. Use dryer sheets to reduce static and attract fur. Dryer sheets can do more than just soften your laundry. Running a dryer sheet over your furniture can help reduce static, making it easier to remove pet hair. Additionally, the sheet itself can attract and trap fur, making cleanup a breeze. 7. Consider professional cleaning services when necessary. If pet hair has become deeply embedded in your carpets or upholstery, it might be time to call in the professionals. Professional cleaning services have specialized equipment and expertise to remove stubborn pet hair and restore your furniture to its original condition. Managing pet hair doesn't have to be a constant battle. By investing in the right tools, maintaining regular grooming routines, and choosing pet-friendly fabrics, you can keep your home clean and comfortable for both you and your furry friends. Remember, consistency is key, and with these tips, you'll be well on your way to a fur-free home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow pet owners. And for more exclusive content and resources, join our community on Skool. As a special bonus, you'll receive a 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and an emergency speed cleaning checklist to keep your home spotless. Plus, gain access to our free community made for women, where you can connect with others and share experiences. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get started.